Ghana versus Nigeria tomorrow, I'm here to deliver a message. And why I'm making this video, I'm making this video that it will help football fans, it will help people who are going to Baba Yara Sports Stadium. It will save a lot of people. I'm a football fan guy, like I love football so much. I'm always I'm a proud Ghanaian, and you can see I'm a proud Ghanaian, and I'm someone that I don't want people talking negative things about Ghana, not just only Ghana. If you are from Nigeria, I don't want people to talk negative things about Nigeria, or if you are here in Spain, I don't want people to talk negative things about Spain. I'm a guy that I'm not a fan of negative things. I always want to surround myself with positive things. So why simply I'm making this video, I had a dream, and I already made the video out there last week. I had a dream that Ghana end the game 1-1. I had a dream and Ghana end the game 1-1. So if you are going, I'm making the video so that anyone that come across this video, share to football fan, so that if you are going to support the team, but do not really raise your confidence level in hope that Ghana gonna win. I'm not seeing that. One thing you have to know, I'm not here predicting. I'm not here basing on what team had form and what team had played. No, that is not I'm here at all. And you have to know, and like I'm not someone that will just come out, because I'm someone that I always believe that this social media, everything you put out there, it is not just only you. One day you get married, you have kids, and what you are doing is something that will be there and your kid will come and meet. So that is why I always want to make sure that, or always tell people that, try your best possible and put positive things out there. But I'm making this video that, like, it will help a lot of people, because people are going to the stadium believing that Ghana gonna win, and tomorrow game is not win, it's gonna be draw. That is what I saw on my dream, that Ghana versus Nigeria is gonna be draw. And one thing I want to remind everyone as well, you see, for me, you seen here, I'm not a pastor. I'm a football fan. I'm a young guy, football fan like you out there as well. I always say to people out there, God will everything, things to everyone out there, but sometimes it depends the way you understand it. For me, years back, sometimes I had dream about so many things when it comes to family, friends, but I wasn't taking it serious. I would say, I don't know, this is just common dream. Before I realized, 1 month, 2 months later, it happened. And I said, I had dream about this. It continues like many, many times. So I get to a point and I say to myself that I need to take my dream serious. So I was sleeping like last 2 weeks that I had a dream that Ghana is not going to win the game. And what I saw was 1-1. If you end up 0-0, 0-0 is a draw. But what I saw on my dream was 1-1. So and my dream never failed me. My dream never failed me. So if you are going to the stadium, do not put your, I'm not saying love your country, love your country, but do not put your hope so much that Ghana going to win the game. Anybody that telling you that, well, Ghana going to win like this, fine. Me, I'm not basing on form, but what I saw on my dream that I want to share to everyone out there, personally, those who are going to the stadium to watch the ball, there is a ladies involved, there is kids involved. So imagine so much you put your heart, in the end of the day, it doesn't happen how you want. A lot of people will faint. That's what I, I would like from the beginning. I didn't want it to come out to share this, but I said no. I have to share it so that those who are going to the stadium will understand clearly that Ghana is not going to win. It's going to be draw, and when win come, it's going to be in Nigeria. I'm not saying that Ghana is not going to qualify for the World Cup. That is not what I saw. And one thing I want you to understand here, I'm not predicting. It have prediction like, oh, I believe that Ghana will win. I believe that the game will be draw. That is different with something that you sleep and you had a dream and you saw that this is what you saw. And I cannot be here to lie. No, that is what I saw, that Ghana is going to be draw. And even if win will come, it will be in Nigeria. I'm not a pastor, never. I have nothing because I'm someone that I don't believe that there's any pastor out there. Never. I believe that sometimes God reveals things to us, but we don't take it serious. Even when you are moving with a friend or family and or even relationship and you are going with your kind heart, true heart, when that person trying to do something different against you, God will open your eyes to make you being very careful about the person that you are moving with. That is why I don't believe that there is any pastor out there. God reveals things to everyone out there. But if you don't understand, you don't understand. So it is a time when you are a young guy coming up, you get to a point, you have to know what is your gift. So guys, that is what I saw. That I there is no win for Ghana tomorrow. That is what I saw. There is no win, and I repeat again. So if you are going to Baba Yara Sports Stadium, take it easy and don't just give your full confidence that Ghana going to win. I'm not saying that Ghana is not going to qualify for the World Cup. That's not what I'm saying here. But Baba Yara Sports Stadium is not. We are not going to see win tomorrow. Not that I wish Ghana bad. Never. I would never do that. I would never do that. I love Ghana so much, wherever I am. Even here in Spain, I don't want people to talk about negative things about Spain. I don't like that because this is where I survive my life. This is where I make my living. This is a country that I survive. So I don't want where I am people to talk negative things around where I am. So guys, keep it up and be very careful how you want to go tomorrow match against Nigeria. Support the team. But hey, there is no win for Ghana.